Son of a... Am I in 22 again? Oh no, not 22 for super speedway.
22 not good?
It's like slightly slow. It'll probably be okay. This is actually appropriate because you gave me the Logano hat. And now 22. Probably.
You'll need one lap and win. That's how Joey Logano does it.
That sounds good to me.
You need one lap and win.
Sounds... Hey, he's a, what, 2 or 3-time NASCAR champion now?
Oh shit, 3-time NASCAR.
Well, that's not what the history books say. All right, we're back for a little bonus race. Now we're doing full-out super speedway NASCAR with a little leader outside the cone section, which is what we typically do. Which is always a lot of fun, unless you have a slow kart, in which case then it is not as fun. We are 3 wide. Okay. All right. I'm still here. Oh boy. It is wild right now. We need to get to the inside. We cannot be on the outside. Okay. All right. In fact, I'm just going to take my foot off this brake pedal for a while. I don't think we're going to need this brake pedal for a little bit. Alright. Okay. We successfully survived the outside. We didn't get shuffled all the way back like we have in the past. I have 22, which is the one that I had for the feature race, which is fine. It's like slightly down on power, but it's not like a huge deal. It's certainly not the worst card I've ever had for Super Speedway. We're able to keep up with people this time, so that's good. Oh boy. Sorry, bud. You got a little loose there. And I got in your back end. My bad. It's okay. I checked up. I didn't take that space. I didn't take it. Hey, take it again, Jackson. Take it again. I smacked that one good. Time for me to take the cones. Okay. Oh, it is 3 wide. Okay. Okay. Can I get your inside? Oh, you were taking a little wide. I might be able to get that inside here at some point. Yeah, you're going a little wide there, bud. Oh, I had to check up there a little bit. Oh, wow, I smacked that one good. I would love a checkered right now. I would love it. Okay. It's okay. We'll get it next time. We'll get it next time. Oh. There's Dave. Okay. We filed back in. When is that flag gonna wave? That is the question. would love if it waved next time. Wow! No, Tom! Give me the flag! Tom, give me the flag! Give me the flag! Tom! Tom, I'm asking for the flag, Tom. Please give me the flag. I'm asking very nicely, Tom. What is happening? No! I saw you trying to bump me through there, Jackson. It would be justice if I got the flag. Tom, please. Tom, I need the flag, Tom, please. It would have been so funny if that was the flag. It'd be funny if it was the flag right now too. Okay, I don't ask for much. I just ask for the flag. You know, just the flag would be great. Okay, how about the flag now, Tom? How about the flag now? How about the flag now? He doesn't look like he's gonna wave it. Son of a beastie! Tom, please. Okay, we still got a chance. We still got a chance. Tom. God bless America. I just led like 4 laps through there. God bless America, Tom. All right, good race. Good race.